welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing, and my Instagram followers pick what my slime recipe is. So yeah, let's just get straight on into this. Okay, so I didn't really ask you which glue to pick from because currently I don't have any clear glue. So I'm just gonna be adding some white glue. All right. Then the first question that I asked you guys was if I should do shaving cream or foam soap. So you guys picked foam soap. You can see it right here. Well, you'll see it in just a second, right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna add in 3 pumps of that. It's kind of a lot, but it's okay. So then I asked you if I should add in glitter or food coloring. Now I'm not gonna add it in yet because I asked you another question to go along with it. And the other question was if I should use colored or white food, glitter. And you guys picked obviously glitter and you picked colored, so I'm gonna go get that. This blue color of glitter, so I'm gonna add that in, that much. It's not a lot, but it's okay. Then I asked you guys if I should use detergent or contact solution and baking soda, and you guys picked detergent, but obviously I'm not gonna add it in yet because I didn't ask you, I haven't added in everything. Then I asked you if I should do lotion or baby oil, and you picked lotion. So I'm gonna add in some of that. That sounded really gross. Okay, so that's all you guys picked. So I'm gonna mix that together now, and then we'll activate it. I don't know what this is gonna feel like. Hopefully it's gonna feel nice. But I don't know. Alright, so here it is. And so now I'm going to add in the detergent and activate this, and I'll be right back. Everyone, here is the final product of the slime you guys made. It's so glossy and clicky. I'm just going to let you listen. And it's really, really nice. It's holdable. I really like it. So yeah, here it is. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.